I started covering war when I was 18, and I realized that I had sonic traumas. For some people, an ambulance is just an ambulance. What I hear is war sirens. It's Baghdad.
The connection between trauma and sound triggers is you become hypersensitive to sounds of everyday life. Fireworks is a very common one. Glass breaking, honking.
Sound effects is a collection of sounds from everyday mundane items to simulate the types of sounds that a lot of the people across all different types of conflicts have been through. Sound effects is entirely focused on a technique called Foley, which is where we use Foley artists and Foley techniques to recreate these sounds using everyday mundane items.
Le truc passe comme ça, exactement. Ouais, ça c'est pas mal ça. Vas-y, on se l'enregistre.
Le son d'un rasoir électrique qui passe à travers la pièce. Et en fait, ça c'est un drone qui passe au-dessus de nos têtes.
They are designed for different producers and production houses to utilize. They're up on a website where every time you download, the donations go 100% to the NGOs who are going to be helping a lot of people who have been through something like this.
There is a lot of research supporting the fact that refugees and victims of conflict have extremely high PTSD rates compared to other populations. Some numbers go as high as 90%.
Le son a un grand pouvoir. Maintenant, il a le pouvoir de faire une grande différence.